This is the late evening of Monday, being the 12th day of January 2026. I think I have been monitoring the situation in Iran, and I have to say this. Iranians are very lucky people. They are lucky because they are finding their voice again. They are lucky because they don't have a dangerous diversity that will not let them to carry out a revolution, unlike what is going on in Nigeria. Now, before you forget, Iran was not an Islamic nation. Islamic region happened to them. Islamization happened to them. You know, most of my videos, I always stress on Islamization. People don't know why I'm stressing on it. Ask Iranians. Ask them. You will not understand what they went through or what they are going through in the hands of this dictator, that is totally practicing Sharia law in Iran. Egypt was not a Muslim nation, Islamic nation. Egypt was a Christian country. Turkey, Lebanon, to mention but few. But Islamization happened to them. So when you see Okocha Happy Marcel coming out to tell people about the Islamization of Nigeria that is on course, I know what I'm talking about. I did not wake up to just start telling people that this is Islamization. No, it is a process. It has the same stipulated process. I read how, Iran was, Islamized. I read how Turkey was Islamized, how Lebanon was Islamized. And most of these countries, they were never, including Egypt, they were never an Islamic state. All of them were never. Libya, Morocco, Algeria, they were never. Now, you see, the reason why I said that these people are lucky because it's not easy to carry out a revolution. In Nigeria, we have a dangerous diversity. People who are not nation, they are not one. They can't speak one voice. A lot of people living in Nigeria love the death, the terrorism, the ISIS going on because they have one ideology with ISIS. They believe in the same Sharia. So it is very difficult for you to carry out a revolution to oust maybe the people who are supporting these terrorists who are in government and so on and so forth. It will be very difficult because their people will be there supporting them. There is this man who is currently facing a trial now. He was accused of financing terrorism in Nigeria, and people are fasting for him in the mosque. Come on. This is the dangerous diversity I'm talking about. Okay. So I am so much happy for Iranians because they are finding their voice, and I think it's about to go down. Yeah, it's about to go down. From the information available, the US are ready. Yes, US, the United States of America, Department of War has activated. The White House, they have prepared to strike Iran. They want to strike their munitions. They want to disarm, try to disarm them. But Iran is going to retaliate. And Iran is not going to throw, any ballistic missile towards American side. Yes, they will fire at Iraq, American base in Iraq. They will fire there. Definitely, the attention will be focusing on Israel. The only thing that the US is doing to Iran will just focus on Israel because they believe that Israel and America is one. So I believe that Benjamin Netanyahu, they have activated everything they want to activate because they understand that once America is striking, it means Israel is the one that is striking. Now, this is a very big warning and lesson to people who are in Nigeria. Pay attention, please. You see the way they are trying to force another culture, another way of life to you, to be paying jizya tax because you refuse to belong to an Islamic religion. This is the way it happened to all these people. Especially the one of Lebanon used to make me cry. What happened in Lebanon is the same thing happening in UK. UK will be Islamized. Watch out. Okay? UK is going to hell. Like hell. UK is going to hell. Now, Lebanon accepted refugees into their country. Like let us have mercy on these people. Let us accept these people. So they accepted refugees into their country. And what is going on in UK now happened to them. These people were able to take over the place. They accepted them. Now, for those of you who do not understand why I don't want Nigeria to remain as one country, yes, that is my ambition. That is what I love to see. That is what I want to happen in my lifetime. And the reason why I'm saying this is this. UK, most of their political parties and most citizens of UK, the indigenous people, not people who came and collected citizenship, they are now rising to the occasion of defending their land. They are saying no more Sharia for UK, that these people must leave their country. And I know they are going to make statement in the next election. When I mean statements, the statement will be through vote, and so that they can take action and wipe these people away from their country. But if UK could not cohabit with people they imported into the country, I'm sorry to use the word imported, people they accepted into their country, like immigrants, refugees, if they can't cohabit with them. United Kingdom amalgamated Nigeria. Nigeria that don't have one culture, not one religion, not one school of thought, nothing was ever that is the same. Nothing. We have some part of the country who in their mind, they understand that they can't obey the law of the country, but they obey Sharia law. In their mind, Sharia is the most superior law in the country. There is a big problem in Nigeria. A very big problem. Now, they are in the government. I will not repeat what I said before about the principles of Islamization. They use Takia, the principles of deception. They use Ahudabiya, the principles of peace deal. They use principles of infiltration. Okay, I talked about all those things, including Afghanistan, that was not an Islamic country, but the Taliban kind of country that is in Afghanistan now is troubling. So what is going on in Nigeria is a systematic Islamization of Nigeria. You know, the people who wrote this program down, I think they spent years or centuries to be able to figure out how to do this. They are professionals, I must admit, because they will do this. It will not look they are doing it. They will be doing it, but it will not look as if this is Islamization. Is it not terrorist? Is it not bandits? Is it not ISIS? Is it not Boko Haram? Is it not Nakurawa? Is it not this? Is it not that? Are they not the one that chase people out of their community? Are they not the one that kidnap school children? Are they not this? Oh, let's make peace deal with them. Let us do this. Little by little, you will die. They will create a psychological condition for your next generation. They have already succeeded with you. You will think that, oh, these people are not here to conquer. We can resist it. Then they have already put the idea on their children, but you don't understand. Then once you die, the next generation will not do the same thing their fathers did. They will be there with your children. They will start saying that, oh, this place, we are 50-50. If we must share political position, we must share this, we must share that. They are pushing you out. Okay, they will fight with your children. Then your children, those people will also draw a mark where they stop. Your children will now come before you have your next two generations. These people have taken over everywhere. You know, this is just the process. They do it little by little. They infiltrate the military, the government, everywhere. They infiltrate everywhere, hijack the power, take the rulership. Okay? They take the rulership of everywhere. They can spend billions upon billions, if possible, to buy people. Oh, you know, I laugh because of what I know that is going to happen. You know, some things that are bad sometimes will make you laugh. Some things you know that are bad will just make you laugh. Not because that those things are good, but, you know, understanding the ignorance of people, especially people in Nigeria. I don't know how to explain this thing to them. This thing is happening before our eyes. Like, this is reality. These people are spreading south. They are spreading everywhere. Like, they are taking in charge. If they announce that these people should go into full-scale war, you will see the amount of military personnel that will surrender. I mean the people who are working with these terrorists. That was what happened in Afghanistan. The infiltration. They have infiltrated everywhere. So, in the summary of what I'm saying is that Iranians are so happy, unlike Nigerians. What happened in Iran, if it happened in Nigeria, it will be forever. People will not have resistance. Who are going to do it? A country where ISWAP is Islamic State, this thing, they just vow that they are going to wipe away almost 160 million Christians we have in Nigeria. They said they are going to wipe everybody out. Nobody dared to challenge them. Nobody dared to call the attention of UN to Nigeria, and so on and so forth. It is well.